Hello everyone. So in today's video we will complete the pre-work to complete screenflow fundamental Superbadge unit. So just scroll down and click on this link. After clicking, we'll come here. You will give the first name and the last name and give a working email ID where you will get the email. After that, select the role as a developer. Now give a company name. I'll type a name. You can type your college name and type a country. I'll type India. And after that, give a postal and type the username. I'll type it, the bit and some random number @company.com. It should be in the email ID format. Now click on this checkbox. Now click on sign me up. So we'll wait for 10 to 20 minutes. We'll get the email from the developer team from Salesforce. So after waiting for 10 to 20 minutes, I got this email. We'll click on this verify account. Here we'll click on reset password. Now we'll click on OK. So here we'll set the password which should match the above criteria. We will confirm it. We'll give a security question answer. I'll type Odisha. Now we'll click on change password. Now we will go to that email. We'll copy this username and after that we'll come here from where we have started this challenge. So we'll scroll down and see there are 3 dots beside launch. We'll click on it and here we'll click on connect org. Here we'll paste the username what we have copied and we'll type the password. Now we will click on login. Here we'll click on OK. We'll click on allow. Now we'll click on yes, save it. Now to check whether we have completed this properly or not, we'll just scroll down and we'll see the username has came here. So we have completed the pre-work. Thank you for watching guys. If you like my content, please do like and subscribe to my channel.